Magandang umaga mga kapatid. For today, ang breakfast meal natin ay composed of 2 eggs, dried fish, and fried banana. You call it banana fritter. Malalaki po siya, so in halves, 4 na pieces in halves. And of course, our organic luya tea. You take your meal after you are able to do your exercise. Nakapag sunlight exposure ka na at least 10 minutes, and then magte-take a bath ka, or babalik ta rin mo prayer, exercise, then take a bath, then sun exposure, then your meal. Bakit? Dapat nauuna ang ating pagpaligo bago ikaw ay kumakain. Kasi pag ikaw ay maligo after eating, nag-bloated ang tiyan natin. So in that order, mula sa paggising natin, dapat perfect na natin ang ating ginagawa. So when you wake up, mumog ng konti, hindi po kayo dapat nagtututbrush agad. Mumog muna kasi madumi ang mouth mo, but do not brush your teeth kasi kailangan mo yan sa digestion, yung saliva mo. And then after that, take a pinch of salt, konting-konti lang, tapos saka ka uminom ng lukewarm water. Pagkatapos niyan, pray ka, and then while praying or meditating, nag-walking ka na, nag-grounding. This is for the elderly, yung mga reinvented na. So, meaning you all have the luxury to strengthen your health kasi wala ka nang trabaho at wala nang stress. Pagkatapos, after mo pag-walking, maligo ka muna, and then saka ka magbilad ng 10 minutes. Most likely, you should have slept at 10 in the evening or earlier 9 in the evening para ikaw ay gigising ng alas 5. At least may 7 hours ka to 8 hours na tulog. Uninterrupted na tulog, kasi kung matutulog ka rin ng maaga ng 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, nagigising ka ng alas 2 or alas 3, so that is not good for our health. So dapat ang tulog mo dire-diretso sa gabi. Ideally 9 o'clock to 10 or 10 o'clock. Kaya lang, di ba, hindi ka nakakatulog agad. So ang pag-expose ng ating katawan sa sun ay nagdudulot ng magandang pagtulog. So, ganun po ang order. After that, saka kakain. For today, ang ating menu ay ginger tea, 2 boiled na itlog, at saka banana fritter. Now, kung may banana fritter ka na, ikaw ay mag-half rice na lang kung gusto mo pa rin kumain ng rice. Okay? So, thank you for listening, subscribing, and commenting. I hope you enjoyed watching my health tips. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat.